So this little light with the funky haircut, yeah, this is the HLG 225. So that's 225 as in how many watts it has. So this is a cool little light that I got shipped to me today by HLG, and it's really made to be a replacement for a lot of the 315 watt CMH lights out there. So whereas you have a 315 watt, maybe you want to lower your heat, or you really want to jump on the LED bandwagon and maybe try, one of these LED quantum boards. That's basically what this 225 is. It's something that can substitute a 315. So let's go over this model a little bit. If you take a look at it, what is that haircut looking thing? It looks like 1980s, kind of funky haircut. Yeah, that's actually a passive cooling device. So if you've ever heard of a heat sink, this is basically just a heat sink. And although it looks a little funky, I'm kind of learning to like it. I don't know, it just adds a little bit of uniqueness to this light. And other than that, let's go over the spectrum a little bit. So this will come with a fixed spectrum, right? So it's a 4000K, but it also has added 630 and 660 red and deep red LEDs so that you really get a full spectrum. So this light can be used from veg and even propagation all the way through flower and harvest. So this little guy, I would say, if you have a 2x2, 3x3, or even a 4x4 tent, this thing will work pretty well. If you're flowering, you probably want to stop at about a 3x3, but you can probably veg with this up to about a 4x4 foot area. Now, these do come, I think it's primarily in 120 volt, but I think you can also get it in a 240 volt if potentially you ask nicely. Other than that, I just like how small and compact this thing is. It's 12 inches by 10 inches by, not too high. Probably, what are we looking at? Maybe 5 inches high. It's just a cool little, LED light innovation out on the market, and I just wanted to show it to all of our viewers. Other than that, let us know what you think of this little guy in the comments below, and please like and subscribe. Other than that, happy growing.